What happened?
I stalled. Oh, wait, this shit stiff.
That was so refreshing. All right, guys, so it's time to fix the Yamaha YFZ 1000. We're gonna be heading out to the desert this Saturday, and I'm sorry, I just today I just received my clutch, and yep, we're gonna pull this out right now. I'm gonna move my car over a little bit just so I can get it out, and then Christian's already on his way. I'm gonna give it a little wash because it's dirty as fuck. Check it out. Look who finally showed up. The boo is here. Pinche Christian, wey. I fucking missed you, wey. Oh. Fucking kiss. Should I move these or nada? Oh, ho, ho. Gasket. Got the oil.
You got diff. Gotta be diff oil or engine oil. Same shit.
And then clutch kick. Team Alba. And then this is the clutch pressure plate spring. Heavy carbon, bro. Carbon clutches. Those are the washers, so when they go in between.
Yeah, in between each one.
Yeah. Nice.
So you don't even get a sticker? Okay.
And yeah, no sticker. What the fuck's wrong with you, Alba Racing? All right, so we got this Ziploc bag, and we're gonna fill it up with oil, and then we're gonna throw in our clutches. So we gotta pre-lube them. All right. Wait, can you open the little bag? The whole thing? Right there. What the fuck was that?
Yeah, that's what I didn't want. Dump them all in.
Now, gotta dump in your clutches in here.
Ah, we don't know what we're doing.
So I saw it on a different YouTube channel that you have to fucking pre-lube them. That's why I'm doing it. Not because I know. Check it out. We're gonna leave them here until we take off the old clutches. So should be good right after we're done removing the old ones.
Got me.
You see those arrows? Okay, those ahí van todos los que tienen los washers nomás.
Oh yeah.
You see, yeah.
See how, that's how I marked them with the marker?
Yeah. Just so I remember.
Nice.
There you go, pimp.
I'm trying to be careful with it.
Fuck it, way. You gotta be rough sometimes, way.
Oh.
Chinga tu man.
Oh!
They even fucking smell burnt, güey. Check it out. Pinche carbón ya. Fucking mero romero. Less than what? 100 miles? 100 hours? No way.
No, not even. Way less than that.
Does it read miles or gay or hours?
Hours. It counts as hours on these.
So it has 100. Was it 100? 116 way.
You don't need that.
Check it out. That little pin. You don't need it.
We're hoping you don't need it. Oh, these are smaller.
Yeah.
Should put them separate. Those are for takeoff.
Alright. I swear. Pick me up.
Okay. Let's see pressure plate.
Oh, fuck. Pinche, hijo. Chris.
Cristian está rompida, güey. That's why.
¿Qué andas haciendo, Cristian?
Hey, with the back going like this, güey.
Bro, what's up with that, Christian?
Too much on my mind today, brother.
Le quiero dar oil.
I got too much BS on my
Eh?
mind today, man.
Christian,
What?
don't blame it on your personal problems, way. So yeah, we got the new clutch kick in. Let's see how long they last.
Not too long.
I heard they last pretty good
Oh yeah?
amount of time. I mean, if you don't use it, yeah.
Use it once a year, yeah. That'd be cool. It'll last you a long time.
Yeah, if you use it like once a year, you should be fine. It'll last you like 10 years. Hey, Christian, wait.
Ah.
Hey, the vlog miss you, wait.
What? The vlog missed me?
Yeah, wait, where were you? No, but I missed you more, way.
Oh, okay.
So Christian was in San Francisco for like a week or two, and I missed him.
But I'm back.
The Chris is back. No se le quita lo güey, pero que anda.
I like how you give me credit for
Wait, I'm honest, I'm an honest asshole.
Well, that's nice.
Hey, so are we gonna test it out right now or what?
Yeah. Well, you know we gotta test everything out. We can't just be like, hey, we're gonna go to the desert. We're gonna test it out over there.
And then imagine it doesn't fucking work.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's why you know that you gotta test everything out.
There you go.
Yeah.
I wasn't seen to go in though this way. I was like, no, it's not fitting in there, but yeah, it is.
I missed Christian's nipple.
Say what?
You guys want to see Christian's nipple? I'll show you guys right now.
I already know where you're going with that shit.
Huh?
I already know where you're going with that. I already know where you're going with the camera right now. And like a dumbass while you were talking on the camera, I was looking at my shirt. I was like, do I have a hole or something?
Look at Christian's nipple.
Leave my nipple alone.
You know we gotta torque these way?
Do we?
Yeah, we but tú nomás dale, wey.
You know what happens every time somebody says that, right? Nothing good.
Nothing good. Fuck, I don't know why. In some other videos, people fucking take off the whole transmission just to put the clutch in. They say it's easier.
It is. It might be, but it also
My
takes
mom is
you-
way. Imagine like taking off the transmission. Hell nah, bro. Got our new gas kit. And then put some oil on it. Yes. Got the Yamaha lube. And hold it for me. That was sexy way.
Hey! I just don't want to make a mess on the floor, but alright.
Stick it in. There, it's al revés, güey.
Oh yeah, it is. Oops. Sorry. It's because they're both the same length, so I don't know which one's which.
Just give me the tip. Alright, try it again.
I can't make it in the wall.
Shit sounded nasty.
There you go.
There you go, look. You gotta go, you gotta go. You gotta go. Fierro. Just keep pumping, just keep pumping. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and clean this mess up that Christian made.
What?
And then we're gonna go test it out. Alright guys, the moment of truth. It fucking goes. You put it in first gear and it.
Turn it on first before I put it down on the floor.
Alright, let's check it out. So this does have a clutch pedal, by the way, if you guys didn't know. None of that fucking automatic bullshit. Let's make sure it's in neutral, like that. Ready? Oh shit! Just make sure we don't have any leaks. Alright. Now put some air on the tires and then we'll go check it out. We ain't got the flag whips working.
Old one? It's still somewhere in Johnson Valley. I don't know where.
I'm gonna take Christian in case I have to push it.
Hold on though, because this shit was sitting for a while.
Throw.
Oh, what the hell? Whatever. Safety first. Watch the clutch just burn out after the first turn.
Anyway, it does feel kind of hard, stiffer.
Yeah, because of the springs. Look at that beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Sorry guys. What happened?
I stalled. Oh, wait, this shit stiff.
What happened?
It's my first time.
Did you forget how to drive it? make the stop?
Yeah, I made a stop.
What happened?
This shit's good.
This is good? Oh, get off my leg. Beautiful.
Wow, man, this shit.
That's good?
You gotta fucking guess it.
And yeah.
I think I need a driver mod. Other than that, the car is good. One less broken car.
Just need to get used to it.
Yeah, I just gotta get used to it, bro. It was my first time. But yeah, this is your invite Saturday. We're gonna head out to the desert. Christian's bringing his dirt bike
And the truck.
and the truck. The pinche baby Tundra is coming out
Again.
again.
It's been out every other time, but this time it has all kinds of new parts.
New parts. Orale. So yeah, go ahead and give it a like. If you guys miss Christian, like it and subscribe.
Watch it have like 0 likes.
Yeah, 0 likes. Christian's saying he's gonna get 0 likes. Nah.
0 likes.
Like the video for Christian and his titty. For his nipple.
There's a story behind that.
We'll tell you guys next time on that story. Alright guys, later. Peace out.